everybody, welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We're back at Epcot at Walt Disney World, and tonight we have a reservation at one of our favorite restaurants, Biergarten.
Yeah, it's finally back to normal operations.
Yeah.
And for good timing, my mom, who's actually 100% German, she's wanted to go to Biergarten and the Germany pavilion in general.
Yeah.
So we're gonna share that with her. We're gonna have a really good dinner and just enjoy our time here at Epcot.
Yeah, we're gonna do more than just dinner, obviously. There is rain on the horizon. We'll see how that fares for us, but for now it's dry. Keep your fingers crossed. Let's go into Epcot. We've got an ominous cloud forming. Rain is imminent. It's gonna happen, I know it. At first stop, Mexico Pavilion. My favorite first stop, if I can make it that way, if we end up going around World Showcase this direction. Choza de Margarita. I chose the margarita yet again, and joining me today, Henry is going to have his first top shelf. That's what I recommend. Margarita. So
sounds delicious.
Yeah, it's your entry into World Showcase, only appropriate, and I always start at Mexico Pavilion. So
good choice.
This is how we do, Henry.
All right.
The rain has arrived. Welcome to Bangladesh. We took cover in the little food area over here. Cheers, Henry. Still dings even in the rain.
Even in the rain.
Even in the rain.
It becomes more tropical.
That's right. That's right. It's coming down. That tray's gonna fill up right there. Look at that.
Oh my gosh!
It's getting heavier. It's blowing right in here. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh boy. Oh yeah, I'm glad I wore my waterproof shoes, I'll tell you that. This table is of no cover. We're talking big drops, folks. Big monsoonal drops. Yet we still have sun trying to peek through the other side of World Showcase over there. Kaylee's got her little poncho on. She's good to go. Poncho with goggles.
Oh my gosh!
Henry's poncho with umbrella.
Oh yeah.
When the wind comes,
I got triple coverage here.
Triple coverage. The third layer is the margarita.
Right.
And we've got a rainbow over the Mexico Pavilion. It's hard to see. It's a little faint, but I think the sun is winning. I believe this little cell has run its course. Because look, now it's turned into just a light drizzle. Henry, this is your welcome to Epcot. Oh, yeah. World Showcase. Roast. All right, breaking the clouds. We're good.
Yes.
Perfect timing because we have to make our way to Germany Pavilion to Biergarten for our reservation.
Yeah.
So thank you, rain gods. Whoever, did you pay them off or something?
I did. So
Okay.
we're just getting very light drizzle, but nothing like bad.
Yeah, it's all good.
It's just enough.
And the weather is primo. It's nice and cool. There's a breeze. World Showcase weather, as I call it. But yeah, here we come. Biergarten. Woohoo! All right, Kaylee really wanted to get her face painted, so we've stopped here. She's choosing a look. So many options. What to pick, what to pick.
What about the flowers? Those are pretty.
She's trying to decide. So many options. So little time.
Oh, she wants to look like Elsa, Snow Queen.
Snow Queen, there it is.
Let's go tell him Snow Queen.
All right. It has been decreed. All right, here she goes. Getting in the high chair. Let's watch the process. Wow, we've got some beautiful blue skies. That rain has left the building. Might come back later, who knows? But right now, it's perfect out here. Wow. That is amazing. You can have a torrential downpour and then beautiful sun reflecting on the water here at Epcot. From dark clouds to blue sky to blazing sun reflecting off the lagoon. World Showcase. Perfection. Part of me is like, I don't want to go inside to Biergarten. I want to stay outside. It's so beautiful right now, but Biergarten is that good. Look at this. I'm basked in perfect lighting. Katie, look, I see Germany Pavilion. There it is. Ah, the sounds is a Matterhorn, even though it is a Swiss attraction. The music is very, very similar. Ah, yes, we have arrived at the Germany Pavilion. Look how beautiful it is. We absolutely love this area. I'm so excited to go back to Biergarten. It's so good. It's been so long. Like, I ate too much last time, but I wasn't mad about it. Honestly, it's one of those places that is so worth hurting yourself for and overeating. This place right here, even if you're just stopping in to Germany Pavilion, make sure to get yourself a grapefruit beer or some caramels and popcorn over there at the treat stand. It's phenomenal. Wow, look at this evening lighting on Biergarten. We're about to head in and enjoy ourselves. Our table is ready. Here we go. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh, we're going down in the front. I always like this. Oh my gosh. Katie, it's almost the same table.
It's the same table.
So we can't wait to hear your opinion, being full German and knowing and been there.
Yeah.
We're going to be asking you questions, Doris.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, this is literally the same table we sat at with all our friends the first time we came here. And the buffet wasn't happening, so they were serving us. But now the buffet is back open, so we can go up as many times as we want, replenish to a degree that is gluttonous, let me tell you. And right there is the stage where all the entertainment happens with the musicians, the performers. They're so good with the traditional German music and such. You feel like you're back in Germany?
Yes, very much.
But this is who I have to ask right
The
here.
aroma smells very German. All the yummy foods, the sauerkraut,
Okay.
the bratwurst, the rouladen, the goulash.
So far, so good. Okay, good.
So we get a German stamp of approval.
That's what I'm looking for.
Ding ding.
Yeah. And the moon is rising above the village here. And we've got the theming with the water wheel and the tree and the stage that looks like it's like a barn or something. I mean, this place is just so awesome. We love Biergarten. All right, so we just ordered drinks. Got the 32 ounce Dunkel, Henry and I. Dunkel, right? Dunkel. Okay, I've been corrected. It's going to happen a lot tonight because I'm Dutch-Irish. I don't know, but I'm happy to be corrected. And so we're going to go up and get some food now, the buffet. And Henry got the 32 as well. The Dunkel. I said it right?
Yes.
Yes. All right, Henry. We're not waiting. We're going to get some food. We're going to the buffet.
Yes.
I wonder how they say that in German. I don't know. Oh, there it is. I see it. I see the buffet. Like I said, this is cool because last time we were here, they had to serve it to us because it was like in the middle of the old situation, as they call it. The actual German has arrived. Now I'm going to follow her lead.
The Deutsche.
The Deutsche. Henry, why didn't you tell me that?
Leave you hanging.
He's leaving me hanging.
Das echt Deutsche.
Okay, we got some salad and some macaroni salad.
Nudelsalat.
Noodles a lot.
Yeah, the Nudelsalat.
Oh, noodles a lot. Oh,
And this is Tomatensalat, Kartoffelsalat, potato
wow.
salad.
I'm getting the actual pronunciations. Henry, this is very educational.
And this is Gurkensalat. Now go ahead.
Gurkensalat?
Yeah, Gurkensalat.
Is that good? Did I get it?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. I heard the voice go up there. I don't know if I really got it.
Wheatsalat, verschiedene Käsesorten. You might like that. Verschiedene Käsesorten is various cheeses.
Oh, that I'm going to be into.
This is Käse und Biersuppe.
Oh, I will like that.
Cheese and beer soup.
So I use that with my Lagerbrötchen, maybe. I don't know. Just spitballing here. Oh boy. This looks bratwurst with some sauerkraut, I'm imagining. I love me some kraut. Oh my gosh, potatoes. Oh boy. This is going to be just a pile. What is this?
Das ist Rotkohl. Musst auch haben.
Gesundheit. Red cabbage. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Hot cold.
It smells amazing. Oh, the spätzle, yeah.
Must have Spitzel.
Gosh, there's more. This is all the dessert side. Wow. Just a preview of the dessert. Oh boy. Oh boy. I think I went a little overboard, but I gotta try everything and then I'll come back. Navigate my way to the stairs safely. Do not drop the huge plate. Do not drop the huge plate. And look what is waiting for me. The dunkel. The dunkel. I don't want to get corrected. All right, here we go. Prost! That's the word I know. Oh, that's a beer. Or a beer. B-I-E-R, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Bier. Cheers. Prost! Okay, so from the real German here, what do we think so far?
Das schmeckt gut. Alles ist gut.
Alles ist gut.
Rotkohl, Sauerkraut, ja,
Wow.
Spätzle. Alles schmeckt sehr gut.
Wow, so Henry, this place is the real deal apparently.
All I know is mein Deutsch ist nicht gut.
My Deutsch is not very good, is what he
You
said.
can attest to that.
Yeah,
All right, well he tried.
he tried.
He knows more than I do. All I know is Prost! That's all I know. You guys still have macaroni and cheese up there?
Yeah, it's by the kids-friendly section.
Okay,
it's all
cool.
in the middle. Yep.
I remember that
We'll
well.
never get rid of that.
Thank goodness.
Next round.
So I just asked if they still had macaroni and cheese. Apparently it's in the kids section. Appropriate for me. I'll be back. Don't worry, this is kind of my warm-up. And then I'll move on, because if I start with mac and cheese, I'm done. Dunkels and mac and cheese, dunkels. Sorry, man, I'm gonna just keep doing that. I'm in for it. I'm in for it. Trust me, you guys. They're gonna roll me out of here tonight. All right, so Katie has made a plate that is presentation savvy. Mine doesn't look like that. Mine looks like just a pile of stuff.
Yours is scary, actually.
Well, I had no choice.
Yours is a train
I
wreck.
didn't know what I was in for, but yours is very balanced, artistic.
It's beautiful.
Elsa has a roll over there.
Yes.
I mean, Kaylee.
Oh, yeah. Is that Elsa or Kaylee?
I can't tell. Are you
Ah.
sure? Because you've got a lot of glitter on, and I can see the snow queen thing on your face. That's Elsa. I don't know what. Henry, that's Elsa.
That
to
was
me.
Elsa with
Yeah.
the head roll.
Yeah, for sure. Schnitzel.
I know, see? We used to listen to this song in Oma's car. Ready?
That was awesome.
Was that authentic?
I liked it, very authentic. Yeah.
There you go, Henry.
Felt like we were back in Berlin.
There you go. It has been decreed, Katie.
It has been decreed.
That's right. Ah, yes, the sounds of the homeland. They're still singing. I love it.
That song is so iconic for us. We used to sit in the back of the car and listen to it. Is this your final? There it is.
Oh boy, there goes Henry.
Uh-oh.
Yeehaw.
All right, we're on our way out of the Biergarten. I am so full. Again, just like last time I was here, I got so full. Oh my gosh.
That was so
Are you
good.
as full as me?
I'm pretty full. I did good. Like, I kind of paced myself and didn't have as much. I was pretty good.
I did not pace myself.
No.
I went gluttonous, just like last time. Henry? I think Henry can say the same.
Oh, I'm good.
Clear skies though, no rain. Thankful for that. All right, jumping into Steinhaus for a minute because we can. You know, every pavilion has merchandise that is specific to the land. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
That's from a journal.
That's like a dirndl. Look at it. It's even got a Mickey on it right there. Oh, is this the version that I would wear?
Yes, the lederhosen.
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 I like that shirt actually. That's really cool.
Isn't it?
Hallo.
Hello.
So much like my Dutch ancestry, we say hallo as well.
Oh yeah, okay.
Hello.
That's that
We're
cool?
kind of close by you guys.
Yes, I would say.
Look at this. The colors of the flag. Look at that.
Look at that, a German Mickey.
Pretty cool.
Mini.
Oh, it almost looks like a hat Patrick Begora would wear. Very similar.
Guten Tag.
Oh,
geht's
Guten Tag.
dir?
Oh, yes. Right
Guten
there.
Tag.
And gets the Steins as well. Yes. Hello.
I got
Oh, nice, Henry. Don't be a brat. Oktoberfest. Henry, don't be a hot dog, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
So this is what you were saying earlier. It's real.
Yes, it's real.
I thought you were crazy for a minute, but guess what? It's real. Look, there it is.
Real. Tiki taki tiki taki. Oi, oi, oi.
And then we drink, right?
Yep,
Yeah, and
of
then
course.
it's
All right. Prost. Oh, Flower and Garden Minnie and Mickey and Spaceship Earth. Looking fabulous. Journey into imagination. Oh yeah, Figment, here we come. I do believe this is a walk-on. There's no one in here. Oh yeah.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad durante su estancia.
Yay!
Let's go see Figment.
We're gonna go meet Figment.
Got the ride all to ourselves.
Yeah, we do.
Next stop, imagination. 1,000 thoughts can start appearing. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination.
This is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll. Woohoo! You win one cent. Imagination really comes around.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Kaylee is running into Nemo. There she goes. The seas with Nemo and friends. Oh, it's so nice and cool in here, huh? Are we at the beach? Kaylee's underwater. Hold your breath. All right. Okay. Can I share the shell with you? Is that okay? Auntie's in the other shell.
I'll see you later.
I can pop into a Santee. Did you hear that?
Nemo, I am not
something. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
Oh wow, look at the jellies.
I like it.
Wow.
See this.
So many jellies.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink. Kind of blue.
It's jellyfish.
What's that? So yeah, BAC time.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo! The big blue world.
I just saw
The big blue world. A journey that never ends.
We're still underwater.
I will.
There she goes, and boom.
At the last second.
All right, let's go catch Harmonious.
Last second I did it.
You did it. Okay, follow me.
Raise your voice, and it's enough to lift the human spirit. Wherever the world leads you next, we hope you carry a song with you. And know that the promise of someday begins inside of you today. Good night.
All right, well, that's going to wrap it up from Epcot.
It was a very good day.
An amazing day as the monorail.
Or better yet, a very
Passes
good
by.
evening. It was a very good evening.
It was an evening, I guess, when you think about it, where we started and then where we ended up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.